Imagine a world ruled by giants. Towering creatures with thunderous footsteps shake the ground. Their calls echo through forests unlike any we know. These were the dinosaurs, lords of a prehistoric Earth. They ruled our planet for millions of years. Their reign remains one of the most captivating chapters in Earth's history. Dinosaurs weren't merely monsters in a forgotten past. They were living, breathing animals. They were as diverse as the creatures that inhabit our planet today. Some were gentle giants, grazing on ferns and leaves. Others were fierce predators, armed with teeth and claws. They were masters of their environment, adapting to a range of habitats and ecosystems. Their story is more than just bones and fossils. It's a tale of survival, competition, and evolution. It's a testament to the power of life to adapt and thrive, even in a world far different from our own. Our journey begins roughly 252 million years ago. In the Triassic period, Earth was a very different place then. The continents were still joined together in a massive supercontinent called Pangaea. The climate was hot and dry, with vast deserts stretching across the land. This was a world on the brink of change. Life had only recently begun to recover from the Permian-Triassic extinction event. This catastrophic event, the largest mass extinction in Earth's history, had wiped out an estimated 96% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrate species. The stage was set for a new group of animals to emerge and dominate the planet. Archosaurs were a group of reptiles that first appeared in the late Permian period. They were characterized by a number of distinctive features, including a diapsid skull, 2 holes behind the eye socket, and a more upright posture than other reptiles. This upright posture allowed them to run faster and more efficiently, giving them an advantage over their competitors. During the Triassic, archosaurs rapidly diversified into a wide range of forms. Some, like the phytosaurs, resembled crocodiles and lived in rivers and lakes. Others, like the rauisuchians, were fearsome predators that walked on 4 legs and had massive skulls armed with sharp teeth. They were among the largest and most powerful predators of their time. The first dinosaurs evolved from small bipedal archosaurs sometime in the Middle Triassic, around 230 million years ago. These early dinosaurs were relatively small, typically no larger than a dog or a large chicken. They were also fast-moving and agile, with long legs and sharp teeth, suggesting they were likely predators. One of the earliest known dinosaurs is Eoraptor, a small, lightly built dinosaur that lived in what is now Argentina. Eoraptor was only about a meter long and weighed around 10 kilograms. It had long legs, short arms, and a long tail, and was likely a fast runner. Its teeth were sharp and serrated, indicating that it was a carnivore. As the Jurassic period dawned, around 201 million years ago, the world was a very different place. Pangaea, the supercontinent, began to break apart. Vast oceans flowed between the newly forming continents. This period marked a pivotal turning point in Earth's history, ushering in a reign of giants. The dinosaurs, once small and unassuming, were about to inherit the Earth. They diversified and evolved into a breathtaking array of forms, their sizes reaching almost unimaginable proportions. The climate of the Jurassic was warm and humid, ideal conditions for the growth of lush forests and fertile plains. These environments provided ample food and shelter for the burgeoning dinosaur populations. With fewer geographical barriers, they spread across the globe, establishing their dominance as the planet's largest land animals. The Jurassic and Cretaceous periods witnessed the rise of the most massive land animals to ever walk the Earth, the sauropods. These gentle giants, with their long necks, small heads, and massive bodies, became a defining image of the dinosaur era. Their enormous size was a marvel of evolution, allowing them to browse vegetation high above the ground, out of reach of smaller herbivores. Brachiosaurus, one of the tallest known dinosaurs, stood up to 40 feet tall. Its long neck, resembling a giant crane, enabled it to reach the tops of even the tallest trees. Apatosaurus, another sauropod behemoth, could grow over 75 feet long and weigh up to 20 tons. Its massive size was its primary defense against predators, deterring even the largest carnivores. Section 3. Kings of the Hunt: Carnivorous Dinosaurs. While herbivorous dinosaurs reached colossal sizes, carnivores evolved into formidable hunters. With sharp teeth, powerful jaws, and keen senses, they became apex predators. Tyrannosaurus rex, the tyrant lizard king, needs little introduction. This massive predator, with its bone-crushing bite, is iconic. Velociraptor, though smaller, was no less deadly. Agile and intelligent, it had a deadly retractable claw. Allosaurus, with powerful arms and sharp claws, was a fearsome predator. Section 4. An aquatic anomaly, Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus ventured into the water, challenging our understanding of dinosaurs. This semi-aquatic dinosaur, with its unique adaptations, has captivated imaginations. Spinosaurus is recognizable by the massive sail-like structure on its back. Its elongated snout and conical teeth were ideal for catching fish. Fossil evidence suggests it lived in a swampy coastal environment. Section 1. Feathered Wonders, a link to the skies. Discoveries have forever altered the image of dinosaurs as giant, lumbering reptiles. Many dinosaurs were adorned with feathers, linking them to modern birds. Archaeopteryx, discovered in 1861, had both reptilian and avian traits. Liaoning province in China has revealed a treasure trove of feathered dinosaurs. Section 2. Lords of the Air, the pterosaurs. While feathered dinosaurs were taking their first steps towards the skies, pterosaurs had already mastered the air. These magnificent creatures, often mistaken for dinosaurs, were actually close cousins. Pterosaurs ruled the skies for over 160 million years. They were the first vertebrates to evolve powered flight. Their wings were marvels of biological engineering. Pterosaurs came in a breathtaking array of shapes and sizes. Their skulls were often adorned with elaborate crests. These aerial masters filled a variety of ecological niches. Section 3. The Dinosaur Legacy, a story written in feathers. The discovery of feathered dinosaurs and the realization that birds are their direct descendants have forever intertwined these two groups. Birds, in essence, are living dinosaurs, carrying the legacy of their prehistoric ancestors within their very DNA. This connection is evident in numerous ways, from their skeletal structures to their behaviors. Birds inherited many features from their dinosaur ancestors, including hollow bones, three-fingered hands, and the wishbone. These adaptations, once crucial for life as a dinosaur, were passed down through generations, modified and refined over millions of years to suit the demands of flight. Section 1. Family life, nesting and social structures. The image of dinosaurs as solitary lumbering beasts has been challenged by fossil discoveries that paint a more nuanced picture of their social lives. These prehistoric giants, it turns out, weren't so different from many modern animals, exhibiting complex social behaviors, caring for their young, and forming intricate social structures. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence for dinosaur social behavior comes from nesting sites. Vast dinosaur nesting grounds, containing hundreds or even thousands of nests, have been unearthed around the world, providing a glimpse into their reproductive habits. These nests, often arranged in organized patterns, suggest that some dinosaurs nested in colonies, much like modern-day birds. Section 2. The Dance of Life: Survival in a Changing World. Life in the Mesozoic era was a delicate dance of survival, a constant interplay between predator and prey, shaped by the ever-changing environment. Dinosaurs, despite their dominance, were not exempt from these pressures, evolving a remarkable array of adaptations to thrive in their respective ecological niches. Herbivorous dinosaurs, from the towering sauropods to the smaller ornithopods, relied on a variety of strategies to avoid becoming prey. Their sheer size, in some cases, was a deterrent in itself, making them a formidable target for even the largest predators. Others, like Stegosaurus, developed defensive weaponry such as plates, spikes, or bony clubs to ward off attacks. Section 3, Lost Voices, Communication in the Mesozoic. The world of dinosaurs was undoubtedly a symphony of sound, a chorus of roars, bellows, chirps, and hisses. Yet, reconstructing the soundscape of the Mesozoic era remains a tantalizing challenge, as sound, unlike bones and teeth, rarely fossilizes. Despite these limitations, scientists have been able to piece together clues about how dinosaurs communicated using a combination of fossil evidence, anatomical studies, and comparisons with modern animals. Vocalization, the production of sound using vocal cords or similar structures, was likely a primary mode of communication for dinosaurs. The discovery of well-preserved skulls, particularly those of hadrosaurs, has provided insights into the structure of their nasal passages and vocal organs. Some hadrosaurs, like Parasaurolophus, possessed elaborate crests that may have acted as resonating chambers, amplifying their calls, perhaps for attracting mates or signaling danger. The reign of the dinosaurs, a dominion lasting over 180 million years, came to an abrupt and catastrophic end 66 million years ago. The very planet that had nurtured their evolution now delivered a devastating blow, marking the end of an era. The culprit, a celestial object, an asteroid or comet estimated to be about 6 miles wide, slammed into Earth with unimaginable force. The impact near the Yucatan Peninsula in present-day Mexico unleashed an inferno of destruction. The energy released was equivalent to billions of atomic bombs detonating simultaneously. The blast ignited wildfires that raged across continents, incinerating everything in their path. Seismic waves, more powerful than any earthquake ever recorded, ripped through the Earth's crust, triggering volcanic eruptions across the globe. The impact's consequences extended far beyond the immediate devastation. The massive amounts of dust and sulfur injected into the atmosphere had a catastrophic effect on the global climate. The dust, blocking sunlight, caused temperatures to plummet, leading to a period of global cooling known as an impact winter. The sulfur, combining with water vapor in the atmosphere, formed sulfuric acid aerosols which reflected sunlight back into space, further amplifying the cooling effect. The impact winter had a devastating impact on plant life. With sunlight blocked, photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light into energy, ground to a halt. The death of plants, the foundation of most terrestrial ecosystems, had a cascading effect throughout the food chain. Herbivores, deprived of their food source, starved to death, followed by the carnivores that preyed upon them. The extinction of the dinosaurs, while marking a tragic end to their reign, paved the way for a new chapter in Earth's history, one that would ultimately lead to our own existence. In the wake of their demise, mammals, once small and inconspicuous creatures living in the shadows of giants, seized the opportunity to diversify and evolve, eventually giving rise to the incredible diversity of mammals we see today, including ourselves. Yet the dinosaurs did not disappear entirely. Their legacy lives on in the most remarkable way, through their descendants, the birds. These feathered creatures, soaring above us, are a testament to the enduring power of evolution, a living link to a prehistoric world. Every chirp of a sparrow, every swoop of a hawk carries within it the echoes of their dinosaur ancestry. The legacy of dinosaurs extends far beyond their scientific significance. These prehistoric creatures have captured our imaginations, inspiring countless books, movies, and works of art. From the awe-inspiring skeletons towering over museum halls to the fearsome creatures brought to life on the silver screen, dinosaurs continue to fascinate and inspire people of all ages. Their story teaches us about the vastness of geologic time, the power of evolution, and the interconnectedness of life on Earth. It encourages us to ask questions, to explore the unknown, and to appreciate the incredible diversity of life that has existed on our planet.